morning, everyone. I want to do a price update because in my last video, I gave the probability of us having to do a retest slightly lower just to grab some liquidity. If we, in fact, close below this preceding candle here, it would indicate that this was a double top here on the day. And we did not. We actually pushed up and we did not close above it. So that invalidated that trend. And then, in fact, we have a strong rejection here to the downside. And we're actually pushing up very aggressively. And it looks like we're actually going to potentially retest 18 cent today. So the momentum is absolutely crazy that's coming into Doge. And remember, yesterday we had at least 3 million, a little over 3 million shorts, 3 million coins come back into the market. And again, it was just barely or not a significant candle, a rejection from the downside here. And we are pushing up today. The wick is certainly longer than the candle today. The buying pressure is, I won't say overwhelming, but it's certainly strong. And I think that's just a testament here to how strong this trend is going forward, and the confirmations that we're getting that we're going to go even higher. So even right now, the range that we need to break above is around 18 for simple math. I'll say like 1840 to be specific. So you can take a look here at the 4 hour here, and you'll see that if you want to technically call out a double top, we'd be looking somewhere around 1848 to 1850. That is where we kind of need to test to make sure that we are breaking out. And then, of course, that signals this run here. It's the same on the other chart, up to around 20 or 21. That'll be our next breakout, even if we go back a few different ways. So no matter how you look at it, it's going to be 18, 18 and a half. That's going to be our range. And then we're going to be off to the races. And shorts are all over the place. I took a look a little while ago. I wanted to point this out, that they had a change of heart yesterday, and they started coming back in. And then I guess they saw the momentum from Doge, and then they said, okay, well, never mind, we're out. And then they liquidated again. So this is why the candle is short. And they had a big push up here because they came out, then they changed their mind, they started coming back in, and then they changed their mind again, and now they're back out. So yesterday was just a weird day overall to even be charting and looking at price action. Very interesting start to the week, but so far so good. All right. I wanted to touch on Ethereum here as well, because the trend, I don't know if I can type. There you go. The trend here was certainly getting weak, and we had that big push down, and Ethereum recovered. So it's over 4,000 now. I was saying that the trend was getting weak, and more than likely we're going to go down and grab some liquidity, and we did, and it recovered. So this is on the day here. So far so good. We'll see where this candle closes, but this is certainly a tell when you start seeing these candles get really small and the wicks get longer on both sides. That means that the trend is weakening greatly, and typically you will have to find a support area or establish a new one if you want to maintain your current buying pressure level. So that is very good for Ethereum. We'll see if it's able to hold above 4,000. I imagine we may see another push down again once people wake up. You'll probably see some people start taking profit, but we'll see where it closes. But that is good for Ethereum here, and that's kind of like a testament to the capital that's coming into the crypto market right now. And same for Bitcoin. All of these coins are recovering. Bitcoin is headed towards 72, 71, 648 right now. A rejection here off of the trend line and recovering nicely. So I guess a lot of people are kind of expecting, I guess that's what they say, when everybody's expecting a pullback or a correction, it typically won't get one. That's right. It usually tries to sneak up on you. So a lot of people were expecting it, and all the coins are recovering. The capital is coming in. People are not ready to pull profits yet. They believe we still have higher to go, and we're seeing evidence here in the chart. So BTC is probably going to break some more records today. Nice clean rejection here. Let's see, shorts. Just kind of making sure that they are Yeah, shorts are coming out of BTC as well. They're not jumping in front of the freight train. So it looks like today we're going to have, at least so far, I know it's relatively early, but today we're going to have low shorts and more of an organic price action. So we'll see what today has in store. Ethereum's over 4,000, Bitcoin setting new highs, and I do believe, just based off of this rejection here, unless we got some type of huge sell-off from out of nowhere, I do believe that we're more than likely going to head up for that retest at the 18 cent range, which is going to be really great because that's going to be a great start to this week and really give us an idea of where we need to be positioning ourselves for this next run here. So we can start setting up the 20 range and start getting those numbers to I guess, coincide with the new trends and the new levels that we can expect going forward. So that is my price update for now. I will check back in a little later and see once we get some more evidence with this candle. I know some people are going to be waking up soon, and we'll see how they respond to the market, if it makes any big difference. But overall, what we're getting now, this should be a green day for crypto so far. So if anything changes, obviously I'll report back on it. But if you found value in this video, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, share it with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next one.